First, the top headlines. Minister led by Hawkins calls for separate state, won't return to Valley. No land of its own cannot demand separate state or autonomy, may Boeing Paume. And media to cease work to internet ban if internet ban not lifted, says Amju and EGM. Hello, welcome to ELITETV, your English news bulletin. I'm your host Deemita. Before giving you the news, we requested to follow the SOP given by the government. Wear face masks on in public, wash hands regularly and maintain a minimum of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requested to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part in the fight against COVID-19. Now the news in detail. Horticulture Minister Letpao Haukip has said that he will not return to Valley, that Meitei have meticulously planned to clean travels from Valley area. No officials or politicians want to return to the Valley again. He said this during an exclusive interview with a national media. He further said he has been attacked twice and his houses had been burned through. Though security personnel, only BSF personnel came and rescued him. Letpao also mentioned that according to Article 371C, Valley and general people are not allowed to settle in the hills, and Hill Area Committee and a governor order are required to perform anything in the hill area. And Meitei wants to remove tribals from the Valley area due to land issues. The tribals don't have security in the Valley area. He would prefer staff to date but will not able to return in Valley. On the other hand, he also stressed that there are currently 7 BJP legislators, 2 from KPA, Kuki People Alliance, and 1 independent who has called for separate state. There are 20 tribal legislators who will also sign a letter demanding a separate state because people will force them to, he added. President of All Jeliarong Organization, Boeing Paume, has said that a community which has no land of its own cannot demand separate administration or autonomy. He said this during a press meet held at the office of the organization yesterday. He further said one should understand which community can demand separate administration. Separate state autonomy can only be demanded by those communities who have their own land, and clarified that the Jeliarong community is neither interested in pursuing demand for separate administration nor support any such demand. While observing that the present humanitarian crisis in the state might have occurred due to certain misunderstanding, he stressed the need for restoring peace, normalcy, and strengthening fraternal bond by authorities of both the communities in conflict. Raising unreasonable demand in something achievable, he cautioned and added that any community pursuing such demands should have roots in the history of the land. A high-level security and coordination meeting was held in Imphal yesterday to discuss the prevailing situation in Manipur, which was devastated by the recent ethnic violence that claimed over 70 lives and left over 1,800 houses and a huge number of government and private properties destroyed. Defense Force said that a security coordination meeting was held at the 1st Manipur Rifles Complex and attended by senior officers of all central and state forces deployed in Manipur. The meeting discussed to restore complete peace in Manipur. The army has undertaken multi-pronged strategies, including maintaining the highest vigil along the state's 400-kilometer and forged border with Myanmar. All Manipur Working Journalists Union Amju and Editors Guild Manipur EGM on Wednesday drew the attentions of the government to lift the internet ban and for the clearance of national highway for transporting press materials. A statement jointly issued by AMJU and EGM stated that the ban on the internet services in Manipur due to present law and order situation has severely impacted the work of all media houses, both print and electronics. The print media are running out of newsprints and other printing materials due to blockade of the national highways of Manipur by agitators, and as of now, several truckloads of newsprint are stuck at Mao, it mentioned. It appealed to the government to authorize the immediate reconnections of the internet services, which was available at the Directorate of Information and Public Relations (DIPR) Government of Manipur and Manipur Press Club, and also to lift the internet ban on media houses. The AMJU and EGM have decided to cease work from today onwards if no visible action is taken immediately, it added. Arjun Ram Meghwal has been appointed the new law minister, while Kiran Rijiju has been handed the Ministry of Earth Sciences. Meghwal has been assigned the law ministry in addition to his existing portfolios, a statement from the Rashtrapati Bhavan said. Rijiju has taken charge as Law and Justice Minister on July 8, 2021. Karnataka Congress Chief D.K. Sivkumar's brother D.K. Suresh on Thursday said he is not entirely happy for Siddaramaiah was named as Karnataka Chief Minister. Suresh, who is a Congress MP, added that Sivkumar accepted the decision in the interest of the people of Karnataka. He wanted Chief Minister post for Sivkumar, but it didn't happen. He will wait and see, he added. At least 4 persons were killed and 14 others received injuries when a speeding private bus collided head-on with a truck near Maksi town in Madhya Pradesh, Sajapur district on Thursday morning, a police official said. The accident took place at around 5 a.m. when the victims were on their way to Ahmedabad from Jalun district, Uttar Pradesh to attend a marriage function. Maksi police station in charge Gopal Singh Chauhan said. The bus collided with a truck near Donta village in Sajapur, he said. 4 persons were killed in the incident. The deceased included 2 women and a minor, the official said. The injured persons were rushed to Ujjain for treatment, he added. For ELITETV News Channel, contact to the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's take a look at the headlines once again. Minister led Power Kibs calls for separate state, one return to Valley. No land of its own cannot demand separate state or autonomy, Maiboin Paumay. And media to cease work if internet ban not lifted, says AMJU and EGM. And that's all for now. For more updates, keep watching ELITETV English News. Thank you and have a great day.